You wanted to try something new with your WordPress site, but after a few new features and one experimental widget, you're ready to give it another try. We're hitting reset on a deal that lets you install, uninstall, and recover sections of your WordPress site faster than you can say Ruro. So let's know which software it is. The software that I will discuss today is WPreset. WPreset is a WordPress plugin that collectively installs themes and plugins, resets defaults, and takes snapshots of your website. Features: do a complete reset of your site in seconds, not hours. Use collections to make a set of your favorite plugins and themes for easy installation from the cloud. Create a snapshot to easily return to a previous version of your site, then store copies in the cloud for guaranteed access. Use the emergency recovery script to completely restore your site, even from the white screen of death. Control your snapshots, collections, client licenses, and more right from the dashboard. Price: they have two plans: Personal, 1 site license, 1 WPR Cloud site license, over 25 tools, snapshots and auto snapshots, plugin and themes collections, emergency recovery script, and WPreset dashboard for $39 billed per annual. An agency, 100 site licenses, 50 WPR Cloud site licenses, over 25 tools, snapshots and auto snapshots, plugins and themes collections, emergency recovery script, and WPreset dashboard, all features included, license manager, white label option, and rebranding, and $119 billed per annual. But they have only one lifetime deal. 5 site licenses, 5 WPR Cloud site licenses, 2 GB storage per lifetime cloud license, 10 GB total, over 25 tools, snapshots and auto snapshots, plugin and themes collections, emergency recovery script, WPreset dashboard, license manager, and white label for $49 instead of $158. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 1,303 reviews on the Appsumo, and on WordPress, they have 851 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait, if you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.